Hello. Thank you so much for coming by today. I am going to take you through some quick and easy steps to take your older looking TikTok, YouTube short, or reel and turn it into this new vertical video. I hope that you find these steps nice and easy to follow using Filmora X. The link is in the description below if you're not familiar with the program. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to leave a comment down below and hit the like button or even subscribe. Thank you, and let's take you through these steps. Today I'm going to take you through, no. Okay, so here's the steps to make a perfect TikTok in less than 3 minutes on Filmora. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a new project, and it is going to be in the 9:16 portrait style. 9:16 portrait style. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we are going to drag in your most recent Twitch clip. And you'll see here I already have one set. We're going to drag it onto the timeline. And what you're going to see here is going to say, do we want to match the media that you dragged in, which would be 1920 by 1080, or do you want to keep the project settings? We want to go ahead and keep the project settings. That's going to give us a nice vertical video. So you're like, well, Amber, I've got vertical video, but my Twitch clip here is horizontal. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take a look through and see what part of the clip we would like. And then you can do your edits as so. I'm assuming at this point in time you already know how to edit the video. So we'll just fast forward through this part. Okay, so once you've made all of your edits to your video and you're ready to go ahead and turn it into a TikTok, basically what you need to do is just copy and paste this timeline and then paste it over here on your timeline, and then you're going to detach your audio because you don't want your audio to replay 3 times. We'll detach the audio on this one, detach, and then you're just going to delete your audio off of those 2 sides of your clips. And then you're going to slide them one right over the top of the other. So you'll have 3 clips right on top of each other. And what that's going to do is we are going to give us the ability to overlap the masked layer, your face camera, and then your regular actual clip that you want to blow up and have your audience see. So for the masked effect, you just come up here to your effects area. I have them favorited, but you can just go right underneath the free effects that they have. So I put the square blur right down here on the bottom layer. And what that's going to do is if we hide these 2, it'll give us a little blur, and you can make it as large as you would like. Just make sure that it covers that 9/16 square there. And so now you can see that your view is definitely blurred. And then we're going to come up here to our second one. My second layer is going to be the actual clip. So I'll highlight that, and then I'm just going to blow it up so that way that my face cam is just out of reach. So you don't necessarily see the face cam. You'll have the black line here, but don't worry. That is going to be taken up by the blurred effect on the bottom layer. And then you come up here to your top layer, and that is going to be your face cam. So you can just select that, come right over here to the crop and zoom function. And then my camera is not necessarily a 16:9, so I have to go down here to custom. And what that's going to do is going to allow you to crop your entire screen out of the picture shot. There we go. And then just hit OK. Okay, so what I like to do is go ahead and just make this a little bit smaller. You can put this anywhere at the top of your video. You can see exactly where it'll be placed here, but I like to take it one step further. I like to put a nice little circle around my face. And then what I do after that, then I like to put a border around that circle. And then I just like, if I want to change the border, move the border around a little bit, all I have to do is hit this right here and come on over here to video effects. My image mask is going to be the shape of the circle. I can make it any shape that I would like. If I wanted a heart, if I wanted a star. I like to move mine over a little bit just so you can have me centered. And then we're going to cut out a little bit. Don't need that call. All right, so we just cut out a little bit of that small part so I could see the bottom part of my face cam box. And now I want to change the color of my border. So your border, you can make it bigger or smaller here if you like. I like to kind of keep it at a 3. I'm going to blur it out a bit and bring that up to a 3. And then I change my colors. If you take a look at my TikToks, you will see that on each of my things. So it's kind of branded as that's the circle that I am going to be in on each of my TikToks. And that's all you have to do, folks. If you take a look, I'm going to move this kind of over to the center a little bit more. You can make sure you undo those. And then you can see right here in this box that you have now a vertical video of your TikTok.